Good evening, friends. This is GV Shivakumar again, and thanks for the continuous support. Thanks for the likes, and thanks for the comments. Right. So many people ask me about. Please share the video on how to study engineering. Right. Actually, say in first year, actually, how to do the engineering study in the first year or any actually once you cross the the first 2 months in engineering college, right, you will get into the world of engineering and how to study, how to prepare, all these things actually, right, actually. So the method of study will be, say for example, when a student coming from 12th standard and after completing his 12th standard is joining engineering college, right. So so the environment is totally different. Actually, say the people from different state or even actually from the different countries, from the different origins, they are coming, and we are grouping together in the first year engineering. So it is difficult. Say for example, those who are studied in the local state language, say in the mother tongue, so they will face actually problems when coming to engineering colleges, because in engineering college they won't teach your own mother language or local state language, because all the subjects starting from maths to science and everything, engineering subjects, everything will be in English only, because you need to compete with the, after you complete your engineering course, you need to compete with your global global employee force. So you need to adapt to any change. You are you have to be more flexible. Say even though say actually even though I have completed engineering before 23 years, so engineering won't change. Actually, engineering is always constant or fixed. So just the new engineering courses will coming, and then actually based on the probability, say if it is computer science, then actually they this is, this programming language. If computer science and business systems, they have additional humanity management, human values, and then human science, and then actually business systems and everything. So business management, everything. And you say if a computer engineering means they will study electrical, electronics, and computer science. And if it is computer science and communication engineering, they will study, in addition to computer science, they will study communication engineering. Likewise, actually they will add a new specialization in engineering courses based on the industry demands and the age which is running, which is crossing years, right. Based on that, actually we normally actually study, or our course will be structured based on the industry needs or employer needs and everything, right. Nowadays, actually, it is the age of computers and IT technologies, and then innovation, simplifications, robotic process automations plays a vital role, right. So based on that, all our courses are structured, and we have management studies there, finance management, everything. So all these courses, all these studies, not only engineering, all the arts and science and everything, right, they are structured based on the current needs and employer needs and market demands and everything. That is very important. So when coming to engineering, first 2 months you will face lot of problem, because if you are, say for coming from Tamil medium, right, in say local in Tamil Nadu, we have Tamil, and each respective states will have their own mother tongue as a medium of studies. Those students studying their own mother tongue mode of study, then they will face, when joining engineering, they will face a lot of hurdles. See, actually they cannot understand what is the concept. Say even though in first year when I am studying, actually, say for example, those coming from the Tamil medium schools, right, medium of education, they will face problem with studying science, and then physics, chemistry, or actually the other engineering studies, even maths, right. Actually, everything they studied in Tamil, but they have, even though they are having one language, one language subject as English, but in when coming to engineering studies, actually they will face lot of problems. Say what is reverse osmosis, and what is a reverse engineering, say what is a fermentation. So everything they are we are, we are in engineering, we are studying in actually English. So this law, those who studied in their own state mother tongue, right, actually mother tongue language, they will face problem to understand on the concepts. They will get lot of arrears and everything in the first year or something. So even second years also they are facing problems. So first thing I like to suggest them to try to study lot of English books, novels or something to make you to understand and put more efforts in your subject to study the particular subject. In first, when I am studying engineering at that time, actually all the engineering courses, right? Actually, whether it is a computer science or mechanical, electrical, electronics, triple E, and ECE, or chemical, civil, whatever it may be. In first year, we have actually all the syllabus or same. Say we have English paper, and then we have chemistry, we have physics, and then we have engineering drawing and basics of engineering. So there actually you can study about the mechanical, electrical, all these things, and then basic electrical circuits and everything. So those kind of actually I can say the basics of engineering with the science were given in the first year syllabus. And when I am doing engineering studies, actually there is no semester system in the first year, and from the second year only we are having 2 semester per year, because each semester will have 6 months duration. So like that. So second, third, fourth will have a semester mode of study, 6 months. Every semester will have 6 months, and each semester will have 6 papers, right? And so in addition to we have lab work is there. So then actually in final year we have this project work and everything. And in first year, for all engineering students it is common, okay, whether it is instrumentation or EC or triple E or mechanical electrical, this subject is same. So try to ask question to the staff. Don't get hesitate, because when see normally the students studying their own mother tongue, they will face they will get fear when international student or other say metro student, the people or students coming from metros, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai kind of people, they will have very well versed English language, fluent language. So but actually the people in the tier 2 or tier 3 cities actually, or municipality kind of related thing, from those areas, they are not having that much free or fluent English in their communication. So they will get fear. So whether to ask a question or not, even though when a staff is asking whether all you guys are getting the subject, then they are saying everybody is fine, where they have completely understood the concept. So try to avoid the hesitation in asking questions. Try to try to clarify your doubts then and there, whenever possible, to the staff. So even if you are facing hesitation or fear in asking questions before all the students in the class, go and ask the particular staff, right? Actually, lecturer or a professor in the rooms. Actually, whenever they are finding free time, you can discuss with them. And not only like school studies, we are not going to totally depend on the textbooks and everything, because in engineering, for each subject there are thousands of authors written their own style of books, right? Old style of approach for thermodynamics or electrical circuits, whatever it may be. There are thousands of foreign authors and local authors are available. So you cannot study everything in one single book. You need to study different books or from the internet, because actually when we are doing engineering, there is no internet at the time. In 94, 95, actually there is no internet and everything actually. So we need to depend on either a classroom mode of teaching, or actually we need to check with the person who knows very well in engineering in particular subject, or we need to search for different books in the library, college library or outside library, and try to get the xerox of copy of that. And then actually we need to club everything, because collecting the material at the time is very difficult. Okay? We are not getting the proper books actually for studying the books, and even some foreign authors, it is very difficult to understand the concepts, right? So we need to go for an author which describes the particular terminology or a particular concept very easy mode. We need to go and study, because actually that kind of studies, that style of study is different. But nowadays we are having n number of authors. All the authors' books are available in the internet. You can Google it and get it downloaded, or you can just get a e-copy of that. So all these things are possible. Now study becomes very easy, right? Actually, so try to clarify doubts when then and there. Don't show your hesitation. Don't get fear on approaching any people in clearing your doubts. So these are very important. And try to more accustom or feel free to ask questions and discuss with everything on your subjects. These are the way to learn the engineering. So no one is specialized in particular subject. So you need to approach each and everyone to learn a particular subject and master them. And also there is no need to mug up or write all the content same as the same like a textbook content. Okay, there is no need to just mug up and write that. There is no need. You need to study and understand that concept, and you can write in your own sentence or your own idea in the examination. So that is important. So you need to get reference from the different books. Also, actually, some people will get the idea from the staff who is teaching the particular subject. Because the staff is referring different books, they will give you the exact crisp content on particular, say, thyristor or oscillator or a flip flop kind of thing, so that you can get the things from them and then take a notes and then study. That is also one concept. So these are the concept. And then now we have even internet is there, and even in YouTube's actually for mechanical, electrical, computer science, chemical, and EEE, CE, and I, or whatever courses, chemical engineering, we have actually Tamil tutorials available, posted by the many senior professors. Even actually the professors or lecturers or deans from the IIT, NIT are posting the courses, and even many professors or many specialists posting the content in regional languages or state languages like Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, and then actually Telugu, Hindi, whatever languages actually they are good. Actually, they are posting that content in electrical, electronics, mechanical, all streams of engineering. Okay, and so even for that reasons only, actually I have posted many of my videos in Tamil. So I know only English and Tamil, right? So based on that, I am preparing the content. So when posting an content in the video in English, so all the people actually, not only India, from outside country people also can able to understand what I am saying. Might be it will be useful for some few people also. That I was more happy, even if very few people are getting benefit out of my videos. I'm more happy, right? Actually, because I'm not a great person actually. I'm not like a great educationist or a big people like Abdul Kalam or something. So there actually many people will listen what he is saying, what are the principles and everything they can listen. But I am an ordinary person actually. I'm getting very number of very few viewers are there. So but actually getting likes or views is not important to me. Whatever I know, I like to share with the people. That if it is really helpful to them, I feel very happy. That is my motive. Okay, that is one thing. Second thing, so don't get arrears in any engineering courses, because many people actually getting arrears and they are feeling difficult to clear arrear in the engineering courses, right? And important thing, don't get arrear in first two semesters, because those are basic engineering. You can easily clear that. If you are getting arrears in the first year itself, then actually it will be a burden to you, because you need to write an arrear in addition to the current semester, right? Say if you are getting arrear in the second semester, then you need to write in third and fourth semesters actually in that paper in addition to this arrear paper. So that will be a problem for you to, because sometimes actually the arrear exam will come in the afternoon, and the original third semester exam will come in the morning. At that time actually you need to read two papers. That will be more difficult, and your current semester you are unable to concentrate, and your mark will be, actually you will get a low marks. That is not a good approach, right? So clear then and there actually the arrears in the clear then and there the papers. Don't get arrears. That is one thing. And I understood actually for those people coming from Tamil medium or local regional language, study, or that mode of study, they are coming to engineering, and when doing study in the English, actually they feel difficult. They are getting arrears, right? I know them. So I understood their problem. They need some time to learn English. And also college, or at least, due to the self interest, they need to go for the bridge courses, so English language bridge courses. So it is conducted by many in many cities, or many districts, and everything, right? They can try to, even though they are doing Tamil medium study, or local regional language study, Malayalam, Kannadam, or Telugu, they can easily get into English language proficiency by using the bridge courses. They can go self motivated, and go and attend that, or they need to approach the college. If in some colleges, they are providing this kind of opportunities as a bridge course to get into the to get a good communication skill proficiency, language proficiency, or communication proficiency in English, so that they make them to come into the full stream, the common stream. So second thing, actually the first year will be common. Second thing, say if, second year, or actually nowadays, actually the mode of study, say actually in computer science, business systems, and other engineering courses, my new courses, actually the first year that I'm not seeing any physics, chemistry kind of thing. So actually full of completed engineering studies only they are providing. So that is a different approach compared to the old study of engineering in those days. So now actually, try to clear the papers in all the semesters then and there. Don't take arrears. That is that one. Second thing, there are two things. One is studying for to score marks, and second thing, study to learn the concepts. Two things are important. So it is important that actually, in addition to score marks in engineering, definitely scoring mark, actually you will get a job immediately in the campus placement. But in addition, you need to thoroughly learn the concept. Say, if it is a motor, so what is a motor, how it operates, so how much voltage we need to provide. So what are the applications of motor, who invented, for what reason he invented motor, what sophistication or innovation it brings to the particular application or particular field. So what are the different parts inside that, how each parts is operating, how it is built, how it is constructed, assembled. So you need to think as an engineer, okay. So you can get a job in design, or as well as maintenance, or operation, or application, does not matter, but you need to study complete knowledge on the motors. So then only you can get a good idea on the engineering subjects and everything. So this is how. And then actually, for getting always try to get, find a good college whom they are providing campus interviews. Try to grab the job through the campus interview. So off-campus interview is very difficult. Getting a job is very difficult nowadays, because big competition is evolved in current days, right? So even in 90s also, it is very difficult to get a job, and nowadays actually it is still becoming a big problem. So many students are trying to get a good job, a good college, and from there they are getting a good campus interview, and from there they are getting good company to work. And nowadays, compared to core engineering, actually the those who are studying in private colleges, or private aided colleges, government aided colleges, will prefer IT field than the core engineering. And only those students actually studying in IIT, PITS Pilani, or NIT kind of thing, actually premier institutes, government institutes, so they are going for the manufacturing and core engineering field, because they are getting good placement and getting a good salary package, good benefits, everything. But it is not applicable for the private college students. If they are going for the private college students, if they are going for core engineering, they are getting placed in a very in a small or medium sector, and the salary also very poor, right, actually. So it is luck, actually, if they are completing UPSC, Union Public Service Commission, and everything, writing Union Public Service Commission, then it is good. They are getting good job and placing in good reputed government organizations, civil service, public service, Union Public Service Commissions, and everything. So some people will prefer Indian Engineering Service, IES, through UPSC, all these things. So it depends on their interest, hard work, efforts they are putting. and then actually the say for example opportunities, their interest, motivation, everything. Some people actually they will prefer particular course due to their father, uncle, or the relatives shine in particular field, so they are choosing the particular engineering. But whether actually they can able to show their interest or complete the engineering in a proper time, that remains a question. So think on that. Don't look after your elders or your friends or whatever they are saying. Just to get those advices as the guidance, and choose an engineering which is more suitable for you to shine your career, to grow and get a good level or reach a very top high positions in your particular area of work, right? Thanks students, thanks for watching my videos. I hope this is very useful for the new engineering students. Thanks friends, this is GV Shokmar signing off.